Hello children, in this video we are going to discuss some of the questions of miscellaneous exercise of permutations and combinations. Let's see the first question. Here it is given how many words with or without meaning, each of 2 vowels and 3 consonants. 2 vowels and 3 consonants, that means we need to make 5-letter word, can be formed from the letters of the word daughter. So first of all, you find out how many vowels are there in the word daughter. So here, this is your vowel, A, U, E, these are your vowel. You need to fill these 2 places with vowels. That means I can select 2 vowels out of 3 vowels. So for these 2, I have made the selections as 3C2, and for these 3, how many consonants I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 consonants are present. Out of 5, I can make 3 selections. So these are the number of selections that I can make. 3C2 and means this will be your 3C2 and 5C3. Now children, this is the selection made, but in the question it has been said how many words with or without meaning. That means we can arrange these letters of the word so formed here. That means I need to write down into factorial 5, or simply I can say 5P5. That means arrangement is also included in this question. First of all, we have selected 2 vowels out of 3 consonants of 5, and then the word 5-letter word so formed can be arranged in factorial 5 ways. That means 5P5. Now you know how to expand and solve it, so solve it yourself. Now come to the next question. Here it is given a committee of 7 has to be formed from 9 boys and 4 girls. In how many ways can this be done when the committee consists of exactly 3 girls? That means you want to form a committee of 7. So out of exactly 3 girls means out of 4 you should be selecting 3 girls and the rest are from boys. 7 out of 7, 3 selections are already done. That means how many are left? 4. And that 4 selections are to be done from 9 boys. So it will be 9C4, or this can be written as 4C3 and 9C4. You can open and solve it. Now come to the next part. It is given at least 3 girls. At least 3 girls means, at least means kam se kam. You should be taking minimum 3 girls. You can take more than 3 girls also. So the total selections that can be made here are at least 3 girls means कम से कम 3 girls और 3 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकती है. So at least 3 girls out of 4 I am taking 3 and 9 C, because 7 selections are to be done. This, or what will be my next selection? I can take 4 girls and 9C3. That means here out of 4 I have chosen 3 girls, and from here I have taken 4 boys. So total selections done here are 7. Total selections done here are 7. So what I can write here? This can be written as 4C3 into 9C4, or means plus 4C4 into 9C3. You can solve it further. Now you come to the next question. At most 3 girls, that means maximum girls can come at 3. That means you can choose ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 3 girls can come, but you can choose less than 3 girls also. So I can take 4C3 and 9C4. This is one combination, or 9C2. Maximum it should be 3. You can take less than 3. So if I am taking 2 girls, then I will be taking 5 boys, because total selections you made is to be 7. Or I can make one more combination. If one girl is selected, then I can select 6 boys, 1 plus 6, 7. Or if no girl is selected, then all the boys should be selected. So these are the various possibilities that you can make out of it when it is asked at most 3 girls. That means you can choose maximum 3 girls, but you can take less than 3 girls also. So here it is 4C3 into 9C4 plus 4C2 into 9C5 plus 4C1 into 9C6 plus 4C0 into 9C7. You can expand and solve it. Let's see this question, children. Here it is given, if the different permutations of all the letters of the word examination are listed in a dictionary, how many words are there in this list before the first word starting with E? That means you need to find out the words in the letters in the word examinations which are coming before E. So before E there is only one letter which is A. That means you need to find out all those words which are starting with the letter A. So you will be finding out the letters which are starting from A. How many letters are starting from A? So you count the number of letters in the word examination. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But this A's place is fixed over here. That means out of 11, 1 I have fixed. Then I have to arrange just 10 letters in the given word. So here we are going to use the theorem of permutation, which says you write down total number of permutations that could be made out of the word examination, out of the letters of the word examination, is equal to factorial 10, because A is fixed over here, the leftover letters are 10, upon how many letters are repeating here. N is repeating 2 times, so I am writing T. I is repeating 2 times, so I am writing 2. Again N is repeating 2 times, so I am writing here again as 2. So these are the number of permutations which are possible. That means the number of words which are starting with A are this number of words. These are the number of words which are starting from letter A. That means these are the words which are starting before the letter E. Have a look. I'm sorry children, I have written 2 extra over here because just 2 N's are repeating and 2 I's are repeating. So this is extra. So this will be the number of permutations. Let's read out this question, children. Here it is given in an examination. A question paper consists of 12 questions divided into 2 parts. 12 questions are there and these are divided into 2 parts, containing 5 and 7 questions. This contains 5 questions and this contains 7 questions respectively. A student is required to attempt 8 questions in all, selecting at least 3 from each part. That means he has to choose 3, minimum 3 from one part. More than 3 he can choose. So from here I will write it as, let's suppose in first case the girl or boy chooses 3 questions from this part, and then in total he or she has to attempt 8 questions. So if he has chosen 3 questions from here, he or she will be choosing 5 questions from this. That means this will make it as 5C3, and that means into 7C5, or the different combinations. I am finding out combination. So here it is plus. Now if he chooses 4 questions from this, that means 5C4, then he or she will be choosing 4 questions from second paper. He or she has to take 3 from each part. 3 questions from each part. That means minimum 3 questions she or he can take, and more if she wants to attempt more than 3 questions from any one of the part, he or she is permitted to choose that. Again, one more combination I can have. If she or he has chosen 4 questions from first, so she or he has to choose 4 questions from second. Again, if he or she chooses 5 questions from first part, that means 5C5, then she or he has to choose 3 questions from second part. That means it should be 7C3. So these are the total combinations. That means a person either can choose these questions, or he or she can choose these questions, or she can choose these questions. Now you can simplify. Simplification will give you factorial 5 upon factorial 5 minus 3 is 2 upon factorial 3 into factorial 7 upon, again 7 minus 5 is factorial 2, plus factorial 5. 5 minus 4 is 1 factorial 4 into factorial 7 upon factorial 7 minus 4 is 3 into factorial 4, plus 5C5, you know 5C5 is what? Directly I can write it as 1. But if you don't know 5 minus 5 0 and factorial 5, then you can always expand it into factorial 7 upon factorial 4 into factorial 3. Simply you have to just open and solve it. You will get your answer. Let's see this question, children. Here it is given, from a class of 25 students, 10 are to be chosen for an excursion party. There are 3 students who decide that either all of them will join or none of them will join. In how many ways can the excursion party be chosen? Now children, in total we have 25 students. Now out of these 25, 3 students say either all of them will join excursion party, or they will not join the excursion party. Now here 2 condition arises. First, when all 3 join excursion party. When all of these 3 students join excursion party, that means these are coming for sure. Now 10 students are to be chosen. 3 are already there, that means 3 are already joined the excursion party. Now we are left with just 22 children. If all the 3 students are coming, then we are left with 22 students, and we need to do 10 selections. 3 are already done. So when all the 3 join excursion party, then the selections which you want to do is, out of 22 you are going to take 7, because these 3 are coming. This is for sure. Okay. 22 plus 3 is 25, 7 plus 3 is 10. So this is the selection, or this is the case when all 3 of these students join the excursion party. You can expand it now. In second case, when none of 3 join excursion party. In this case, children, initially we had 25 students, and if these 3 are not coming, that means again I am left with 22 students, and out of these 22 I need to select 10. So in this case I will be taking 22C 10. All the 10 selections should be made from these 22 students, and this is for sure that 3C3 are not coming, so we are not going to take this. Or if you want to make 25 selections complete, that means these 3 are not coming. Now we are left with just 22 children. These 3 are not coming, that means these are excluded, and now we are left with 22 children, and all these selections are done from 22 children. So this is the case when 3 of them do not join the excursion party. Let's see the next question, children. Here it is given, in how many ways can the letters of the word assassination be arranged so that all the S are together? Let's count the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13 letters over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, when all the S are together, that means this is the place where all S, that means 4 S are there. So these S are coming together. Now we have to find out the total number of permutations, and total number of permutations are how many? Here you have how many? You just take off these 4s, you are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and one place for this s. That means 10. So factorial 10 upon. How many letters are repeating here? A is repeating 3 times, so I will be taking factorial 3. I is repeating 2 times, so I will take factorial 2. N is again repeating 2 times, so I will take factorial 2. So these are the total number of permutations. Here S is taken as just one S, and we cannot rearrange these S also, because if you rearrange, the word will be the same, S, 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 S. If it would have different letters, then you could have taken it as arrangement of these 4 letters, that means factorial 4 or 4p4. But here the letters are same, so no need to take here into factorial 4, because the word forms will every time be same. So these are the number of permutations when all S are together. Have a look.